Hello, welcome to this video tutorial on ROOsearch, Southworth Library Learning Commons online search tool. You can use it to search everything that the library has. To find ROOsearch, go to the library webpage at www.canton.edu/library or to the quick links from the SUNY Canton website and go to Library. You can use ROOsearch by using the left drop-down menu. Everything allows you to search books, ebooks, videos, journal articles, and more. Articles allow you to search just journal articles. Course reserves will search our textbook reserve program. This is where you can borrow textbooks for 2 hours at a time in the library. Finally, the WorldCat option is the world's largest network of library content, and you can search that as well. If you'd like more help, you can email us at library@canton.edu. Use these chat options, which will let you live chat with a librarian, or stop by the Southworth Library Learning Commons and chat with one of your friendly librarians.